Hey everybody, welcome back to Nico Brothers. We're continuing to build on our 2022 Ford Bronco. Man, this thing is definitely unique, custom built, just like our shirts. Make sure you check out nicobrothers.com. We got some cool Nico Brothers merch specifically made for the Bronco. There it is. I mean, we're making it custom. Why not? This thing's gonna pop, and then we appreciate all your support, guys. Thanks so much for making it happen, making this possible, because I'm really excited about this build, Ivan, right? I mean, it's definitely coming together a lot more awesome than I thought it would be.
Yeah, a couple days ago it looked like a wrecked Bronco. Today it's looking like it's ready for the trail.
So much potential, so much, you know, looking forward to it, getting this thing going. I want to really go drive it, but soon. Hopefully today we'll drive it, right? That's the idea.
I mean, we still got a bunch of work to do. I mean, we can drive it out of the shop, inside the shop, but we ain't hitting the roads, you know?
Not yet. We are still missing a couple little pieces here and there. We made a list, we ordered it, so they're coming in. We're kind of limited on the body work, like we could start it, but we can't knock everything out. Those hinges need to come in, so we called the dealer, hopefully come in soon, but we'll do what we can. All right, guys, so we got the wheels on here, we got the tires, we got the wide body, lift kit, all top of the line. So the next thing to make this thing upgrade, I would say lighting. You know, that would be definitely the next thing to make it pop, and who better than Oracle Lighting? They're basically one of the top brands for lighting companies. They do many vehicles, and they specialize in Broncos too. Let's check it out. Dang, guys, so check out all these awesome parts specifically made for the Bronco. These are aftermarket, but beautiful. I mean, check out these taillights. Oracle Lighting definitely did a great job, knocked it out of the park. Woo, need to check them out. Our old ones are kind of like sticking out and all broken, so we had to replace them anyway. We're not just replacing them, we are definitely upgrading. These things are beautiful. So they have some LED lights inside, so when you back up, they're actually lighting it up too.
Yeah,
see us coming.
And the big thing is these are like flush mounted.
Oh yeah, look how flat they are. That's beautiful right there. Woo!
I can't wait to get these installed and check out how they are.
Oh yeah, what an upgrade for sure. Before they were just kind of like bulky and, you know, just, nah, that's fine. Way better. So that's a huge plus. We got some rock lights. Of course you gotta do some rock lights. Lifted up that high with big old wheels.
I mean, who's gonna see these 38s, you know? With rock lights we can see the 38s.
You gotta see them. Oh yeah, for sure. So that's a great upgrade as well. Coming to one of my favorite parts. This thing is, man, it's beautiful. This was a custom design for the Bronco. It's gonna basically merge into, it's kind of built in with that top roof part, so.
And plus we got damage up there, so who knows, we're gonna mold it in, nobody's gonna see that damage.
Perfect, it's ideal.
So.
Look at that green Bronco, Ivan. I don't know, I like that color.
I mean, there's a green one there, there's a black one here.
I think this one definitely pops more. More like nature, you know, green going out there.
What do you mean? You can camouflage, like here in the woods, it's green.
And then boom, turn those lights on and you'll see us coming. I like it, that's definitely an option. Leave some comments below, guys, what colors do you still want us to go? Because we're gonna, full paint job. We're gonna paint the whole thing. I don't know, we're not gonna keep it gray.
I think we should do two-tone.
Two-tone? It's a lot of work.
White and gray.
Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. Let's check out this bar right now, Ivan. This thing.
I mean, before we check out the bar, we got one more thing that we're checking out. It's the headlights, right?
Oh yeah, so we got the headlights, we got the taillights. Definitely put those in. Those are amazing. Color changing, amber, you can do different tones on them and stuff.
So pretty much today we can work on the front end, get the headlights installed, get the gaps looking good. Yeah. And then we can work on this thing, so.
Oh yeah, I want to check it out. Let's check out this bar. I heard a lot about it. Definitely. Huh? Oh boy.
The packaging is really nice. We got a lot of instructions we don't need.
Oh, we might.
We got some, I don't know, wiper blades?
So it's like it's not just like a regular bar. This thing is custom made for this Bronco to fit right in.
Is it gonna be like glued on, or what are we doing?
I'm not sure, but it's gonna look like it was made for that, so factory built for it.
Wow, that's clean looking.
It is very slick. Dang. It's like a visor, thin but yet powerful LED bar. Very nice.
Well, let's go ahead and put it on top and see how it looks though.
Yeah, let's check it out. So pretty simple. Comes with nice instructions. I mean, it really bolted right on. Not too many steps. And it comes with custom windshield wipers, a little shorter so you don't hit nothing. Dang, I haven't got power to it. Nice. Very easy. On. Oh yeah, wow, that is very bright.
That is really bright. Let's see, it's got more wires.
Oh wow, dim. Amber. Does amber color. Nice. Little lights. And you got your
ZRL maybe.
yeah, driving lights, daylight driving lights.
Oh, both.
Kind of just amber.
Oh no, it's just amber. Maybe like tricycle. Pretty sick.
And then you get your high power. Boom, full blown high beam. Nice. Low beam, nothing. Can you see anything? There it goes. Okay, orange, amber lights. It's gonna match our front headlights. Oh wow. Boom, light up the room. That's crazy.
You can see a lot better with that.
Yeah, that's crazy. Nice. Wow guys, that was definitely one of the simplest installs ever. These are the light bars, it's tricky, you have to kind of figure it out, make it look good, but that was plug and play. And we still got the wires, we still put the phone, but we're just checking it out to see how it's gonna fit, and beautiful, very clean. Looks like it was made for this car, and it was. I mean, it was custom made for the Bronco.
But think about it, this thing rolled and it still fit good.
So nice. That is really weird, but hey, that's great. Really happy with it, but let's move forward, literally to the headlights. So we had our other ones, some of our tabs were broken, some of their stuff was kind of cracked, so it's like,
plus, I think we're doing like a weight reduction, so.
Yeah, so this is the old headlight right here.
Look how big and bulky that is.
It's not, I mean, it's still pretty cool, but you can see some parts are laying around, but check out the new, upgraded, than never, oh yeah.
Look at the LEDs.
By LED headlamps. I'm excited, let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh yeah. Oracle, you know, some little instructions.
Check those out.
Wow, very slim. That's crazy. That's everything?
I think it's in 4 pieces. So you got the headlight, then you got the little brackets on the side.
Nice.
Pretty cool. And we can go ahead and install them too.
That's very slick. Oh, I can do that later. It's
no,
fine.
do it now.
Do it now, just peel it.
Just peel it.
Ooh, that is beautiful. Wow.
Definitely custom and definitely fit for this build.
Yeah, that's gonna look great. Nice, let's go ahead and put it on. Pretty sure that's the grill. Get this out of the way for now. All right guys, so this thing came together very simply. Everything was labeled left hand, right hand, and it's kind of plug and play. 2 bolts there, came with all the tools you need, all the hardware. Very nice, very clean, very slick looking.
The quality's there.
Oh yeah, definitely, 100%. So far I'm very happy with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it. Should be plug and play. Oh yeah, look at that. That's the original, their plug. Plugs right up to it. Boom, just like that. Nice. That is what we need. Like I said, our other one was broken, kind of thing, tabs here and there. Easy.
And these are like fully adjustable and all that, so it's pretty nice.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Everything snaps into place where it's supposed to be. Very nice.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Plug and play.
So nice. Alright guys, so we got our lights plugged in. Let's put some power to our Bronco. Ooh. Nice. Oh yeah.
We still got the grill to put on actually. Let's put the grill on.
Yeah, let's put the grill on, see what it looks like all together. We know it's working. Let's put it on. Grill's on. Got some power. Ooh.
That's it. Turn the headlights on, let's see. Or turn signals.
Turn signal?
Turn the hazards on.
Okay, where that's at?
It's in the middle. Oh, that's cool.
In the middle somewhere?
That's on. The turn signal right's working. The halos, everything looks really sick.
Nice. I
Definitely
think
good
they're
look.
amber too though, right? The halos?
Let's read some instructions, we'll see.
Yeah. Wow guys, absolutely beautiful. That front came together super nice. I love the little side marker. That amber's very bright, very high quality. They're looking good. So now we can move forward and get this kind of lined up better and secured so we make sure all the body lines are going. But I'm just excited for the back. Let's put those taillights in, Ivan. They look really slick, really thin. I just want to see what it's going to transform into instead of the stock ones into those aftermarket
We're still
ones.
waiting for the brackets to come in, but we can put them
I know, I just kind of want to put them on. Let's go check it out. Wow, what a difference. So that's the stock OEM ones. Definitely seen better days. Ooh, oh yeah, that's definitely an upgrade. I'm excited. Let's take it off. I think this is just a little clip item.
I mean, there's gotta be bolts there, so let's take it off far and go from there.
Oh yeah.
I'm telling you, we're saving so much weight with this lighting company. It's great.
Oh yeah, Oracle lighting. Thinking ahead. Slim and slick.
And LED.
Oh yeah, all around.
So plug it in first.
Yep. Yeah, plug and play. That's beautiful. This is just a little
A resistor or something.
nice. Okay, we'll tape that on somewhere later. Oh yeah. Clips in. Wow.
Yeah, flash.
Look at that. Oh yeah, once we bolt that down.
Let's bolt it down.
Yeah, you can adjust it. A little fine tuning, we'll get it. Okay, yeah. A little tight. It's going. I'm gonna pop it off.
I'll take it off with the taillight afterwards.
Yeah. Clip does not want to go. Wow guys, just check it out how slick that is. Very flush. I mean, I like it for sure. That's definitely an upgrade.
It's definitely different.
Yeah. I mean, compare it from this side to the other side. It's kind of like...
It sticks out, kind of like a spare tire.
Yeah, we kind of want to delete this too. I'm thinking it's going to look cleaner just without that.
Yeah, we're going to do like a flush mount plate.
Yeah. So that'll come off. That'll be really slick. That'll be clean. Get rid of that and get rid of this.
And then we still got the aftermarket bumpers coming on.
Yeah, it's gonna look good. Very unique.
Very custom and very, you know...
Not your everyday Bronco coming down the road. Oh yeah, let's replace that one too. Man, I just love the plug and play. You don't have to change pigtails, don't have to worry about the wiring. Good to go.
Technology, Michael, technology.
Oh, nice. Alrighty. Let's go there. It's kind of dark. Yes, sir.
Let me help you, Michael.
Oh yeah. Wait, yeah. Oh, that's like the most satisfying part. Alright, I'm gonna put power to it. There it goes. Nice. That's beautiful, guys. The camera does not do it justice. Those LED lights look sick. Very clean. So you can put in reverse. Or turning signal. That's nice. Where would the turning signal be even? There's nothing yet. Okay, so it's kind of getting brighter. There's no amber?
This is hazard.
That's hazard. Interesting.
not.
That's cool, whatever. Clean. Oh wow, yeah, that's very bright. Blinding. At least you know we're backing up.
All right, so we're getting the gaps and the rear looking pretty good. The next thing I did was open the box and get the inner fenders off. I thought maybe we could just scoot them in, but it looks like we might have to bolt them up together with this and then put the fender on. So, but they're definitely heavy duty. The inside of it is nice and smooth. Definitely really nice quality. Let's go ahead and take this rear fender off, put it together, and see how that looks. All right, so there we have it. We got the inner fender screwed in only on 3 bolts, and I drilled it and it popped in exactly. I didn't have to even like drill them out even more, and it popped in here. They're lining up really good. We can worry about that later. And then the fitment, you know, it's looking dialed in. So we got this gap looking really good. We got this gap looking good. So these we can probably put on once we start doing the body work, because if that one's fitting great, the rest are gonna fit in good. And we got a lot of body work to do. We got the body work to do on this tailgate and everywhere else, so.
All right guys, wow, those fender liners are coming on, and it's like basically a step above. I mean, usually you just have a little piece of plastic, but this thing's a fiberglass molded in fender liner. That's crazy, and it fit right in. Wow. Huge shout out to Advanced Fiberglass Concept in California. I mean, definitely this thing is looking good, and we're gonna make it really nice. And a huge shout out to Oracle Lighting. I mean, this thing's gonna pop for sure once we get all that stuff wired up. Of course, I'm gonna use my solder stick connections basically get those wires hooked up, and this will make it waterproof. You don't have to worry about the connection because you don't want lights flickering. Nah. So that'll basically take care of that. And this thing's gonna look great. But unfortunately, that's all I have time for this episode. We are gonna keep going. We're getting this thing popped out. Our parts are ordered, they're coming in, and it's moving forward. So it shouldn't slow down. But yeah.
Well, we gotta choose the color, because before we know it, you know,
it's
I already got a color in mind. What do you got in mind, Michael?
I mean, I like the gray. It's not bad, honestly. Then maybe a different shade of gray or something. Maybe, I don't know, that Porsche gray we had, or maybe green. I like green too. Green would be cool.
Yeah, I'm going for a green. Besides, like maybe like a fluorescent green.
But reading your guys' comments, you're saying like cyber orange or something else. Our buddy saying pink. I don't know why he said that, but that's what he said. You know, people have their ideas and their opinions, but leave some comments below. Maybe we'll make a tally and see who wins. But thanks guys for the support, and we'll catch you next time.